Do you want to know how to hide chats on Snapchat? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. First thing that we want to do on Snapchat is to open it and to tap the chat icon on the bottom of the screen and choose any conversation that you want to hide. Now we all know by default Snapchat will clear your messages right after viewing it. But if ever the Snapchat is set to clear conversation after 24 hours, there is a way on how to hide it. You can see here that I send messages to this person. Click the profile of that person, tap the three dots on the top right corner, go to chat settings and tap on clear from chat feed. Don't worry, as this will not delete your conversation. The chat will just disappear from your feed, just like how archive features work in other social media applications. Now, if you want to see that conversation again, just search the name of that person and here you can clearly see the chats. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.